Classic shower rod with a bone finish, perfect for bathroom spaces. Expands from 36 inches to 63 inches 1 inch diameter. No drilling or mounting hardware needed. Metal construction for reliable, long-lasting durability. Zinc finials keep the rod from sliding out of place. The Design House adjustable shower rod with a bone finish is an elegant and practical addition to any bathroom. This tension shower rod requires no drilling and comes complete with mounting hardware. The steel tube is sturdy, and the zinc finials keep the rod from sliding out of place. This rod expands from 36 inch to 63 inch and fits most showers. Top reviews from the United States. Great track. Replaced the shower rod. First time trying a ceiling-mounted shower curtain. Love it. Super easy to adjust and install. Seamless glide. Would definitely buy again.